Hello everyone! If you've been scratching your head over how to cancel subscription on your Android, don't sweat it, I've got you covered. It's worth noting that if you've subscribed to the services like Netflix, you might need to cancel directly from the app or their website. However, for apps that charge you regularly, you can cancel right from the Play Store. So, let's dive into it. Start by opening the Google Play Store. Now, on the top right, there's your profile icon. Give that a tap. A drop-down will appear and you'll spot Payments and Subscription. Tap on that. You'll be redirected to a new page. The second option there is Subscription. You want to click on that. This is where all your active subscriptions are neatly listed. When you find the one you want to cancel, tap on it. You'll see the details of that subscription. But here's the gold. At the bottom, there's a Cancel Subscription button. Clicking Cancel Subscription pops up a confirmation. It'll tell you when the subscription will officially end. Confirm your cancellation and voila! No more automatic charges for that app. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!